So something I'm doing new in the channel is I'm doing a lot of beauty reviews from Poundland. So obviously, you know, you can get yourself a £1 beauty bargain in Poundland. Basically, see and review like what is good quality in there, worth your £1 basically, or £2, you know, occasionally £2 item. And today's products I'm testing out is the Derma V10 Deep Cleansing Peel Off Mask. If you know from my haul, I said that I will be testing this out, and it's basically it's a peel off charcoal mask. Yeah, I want to test it out and see like when I peel it off what dirt. So basically you peel away blackheads and unblocked pores. So yeah, I've never tried like these type of things before. Okay, it says for best results, prepare your skin with a hot towel for 3 to 5 minutes to open pores. Don't have a hot towel on it. I think I'm just gonna chuck some hot water on my face. Not hot water, but you know, warm water. Yeah. Dry. I have to say, you guys, there's something about it that's very like calming. No, every time you move your face it tickles you a little and it's slightly calming. I like it. I literally want to put it on and like seriously, I like the feeling. It's very soothing. Anyways, I'm gonna peel it off now. That's proper tight. I will say, around my nose, it's a bit more smoother. Yes, it makes your face feel very smooth. Oh, forehead is a proper tight.
Mommy, take off.
Yeah, I like what it's done to the forehead. Like your forehead feels like tight. Obviously, I'm still in my 20s. I'm in my late 20s, but like my forehead doesn't feel like that sometimes. Forehead feels really nice.
Oh yeah.
Feels really nice and tight and like smooth.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we've got to use this. I like this. Around the nose, I did see like a little black, a couple of like looking on the sheet, right? I can see, right, a little bit of like the white. What are they, blackheads or pores? The white stuff on. I get mixed up what it's called. But yeah, looking on it, you can see like a bit of like the white pores or the blackheads or whatever they're called. You can see them. It does say use it on areas prone to impurities such as nose, forehead and chin. Yeah, chin feels normal, but like forehead and my nose. I'm going to use this again. I'm going to buy this again. I love the way my face feels afterwards. And I love the way how it feels when it's tight and it tickles you every time you try and talk. Yeah, I like this. I like it. Yeah, I really do like this. I'll give it a thumbs up, you guys. Seriously, £1, quite really good. I'm going to try and do these Poundland review videos on a weekly basis. So yeah, if you like them, give the video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god, that's a suitcase. That's so nice. What's wrong?